Okay, good day. So this is Teacher Roslyn, and I will be giving you a tutorial on how to compute the pH solutions for acid and base. So before that, let us have some review of what is the pH scale that we have. We have here 1 to 14, where it shows the arrow from acid and to basic. So here we have here the lower the number of in 7, so it is more acidic, and the higher from the number of 7, it is more basic. So it is very important because in every solution we are going to identify if the solution is acidic or basic. So let us go with the first problem. So the first problem is, what is the pH of the solution if the H3O plus concentration is 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 molarity. So remember, the unit that we are going to use in solving the pH concentrations is always molarity, because that is the unit that we need. So we have here molarity. Now, after finding or reading the problem, next thing to do is identifying what is the given and what will be the product or what will be the solution that we need. So in this problem, it says that we have the given under H3O plus. Okay, now in a given of 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 molarity, and we need to find the pH. So since I have already have this ready-made solution or the formula, we always have the formula where first write what we need to find. So we have pH. So pH is equals to, so negative log, and the given that we have H3O plus. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So from this, we are going to transpose or substitute the given from this formula. So we have negative log, then substitute that we have the H3O plus, which we have 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 molarity. So just simple as that. Then we need to calculate it through the use of your scientific calculator. Just type negative log, then parenthesis 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4. Then the answer will come up with pH is equals to 3.6. Yan. And that's the reason why I asked you the scale a while ago, because you're going to identify if there is a question if it is acidic or basic. Because we have the answer of 3.6, it will be appear into here this part. It means the solution is acid and it's acidic part. Okay, so that is that. So that is the solution for number 1. Let's go with the number 2. So it says here, the pOH of the solution is 4.5. Now calculate the pH of the solution. So next, same thing process that we're going to do. First, identify the given. So the given is the pOH, and the thing that we need to find is the pH solution. So as I said, in my chemistry class, I have sometimes given them the formula itself. So I have here the said formula. So here, it's a sample formula I have given. So if there's is the given of H plus and we're going to find the pH, then this will be the formula that we're going to use. Same with this, OH negative to pOH, this will be the formula that we're going to use. Same with this, if it is vice versa, we're going to use this one. So let's go back with the problem. So the given is pOH, and we need to find for the pH. So pOH to pH. So we have here. So as you can see from the arrow, it's a vice versa. It means if we are finding for pH, and it's a given is pOH, we can use this one. Same with if we are going to find the pOH and the given is pH, we are going to find we're going to use this formula. So the formula is pH plus pOH is equals to 14. Why 14? As I said, the pH scale is up to 14. So let's go first right for the formula. So we have pH plus pOH is equals to 14. Now, this is the formula that we use. Now, next is transpose or substitute all the given. So we have the pH is the one we are going to find, plus we have the given of pOH, which is 4.5, here 4.5, then equals to 14. Now we had it. Now the next thing is we need to transpose or put this 4.5 to the other side so that the pH scale will be left here. So for us to transpose this one, the sign of the 4.5 will become negative. So bring down pH, then 14, transpose 4.5 to the other side. So this positive will become negative 14 minus 4.5. So we will have this kind of formula or the equation where pH is equals to 14 minus 4.5. 4.5 is came from here, and positive, it will become to negative since it transpose from the other side of the equation. So after that, let us just subtract 14 minus 4.5. So the answer will be pH is equals to 9.5, as easy as that. Now go back to the question. Is the solution is acidic or basic? So since we have the pH of 9.5, so do you think what will be the solution? So it comes with here 7, 8, 9. So from here, so it means the solution is basic or base on its base side. Okay, that's for number 2. Okay, the next for number 3, we have here the number 3 for number 3 equation or problem. If the pOH is 3.8, what is the OH negative or the hydroxide concentration? So same with the process that we have. First, identify what is given. We have the given of pOH, which is 3.8, and we have here the we're going to find for the OH negative. So for this, we're going, as I said, I have here a ready-made formula for my students so that they can easily transpose or identify what will be the problem. So we have here, for the problem, I have given you a while ago, that's first. The next one is if we have the pH and we are going to find for the H plus, this will be their solution formula. pOH to OH negative, this will be the formula. OH negative is equals to 10 raised to pOH, and this one is the last formula, which is H plus vice versa to OH negative. So now, so let's go back for the formula. So it says here that we have the given of pOH and we need to find for the OH negative. So pOH to OH negative. So we have here pOH to OH negative. So it means we are going to use this formula. So let's adopt the formula. So we have here OH negative is equals to 10 negative pOH. So I have copied already the formula. Now, we need to substitute all the given from its formula. So we have the OH negative equals, then 10 that's 10, raised to, what is the pOH? So we have here 3.8. Now, this will be our solution. So need in your calculator, in your scientific calculator, you're just going to put 10 raised to negative 3.8. Then it will have the answer. It will have or output of 1.8 times 10 raised to negative 4 molarity. So don't forget the unit of molarity in finding the hydroxide, and the pOH is having the molarity, and that is the answer for our problem number 3. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. So thank you and God bless.